Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the boy Dennis here. Again, welcome to my channel today. I'm going to show you guys on how to create a landing page. If this is something that you are looking for, please stick with me until the end because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create a landing page without wasting much time. So this is a software which is going to allow us to start creating landing pages step by step. This is there's no more techniques which is required. Just drag and drop. That's it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So today we are going to use a website called GetResponse.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. So if you're interested on it, please make sure you click the link in the description below. Then it will take straight to this dashboard here. So let's get started. So how to create a landing page? To do that, just just come here where it say landing page. Just click here, landing page. And also remember, in the link down below that I'm going to leave is going to be a 14 days trial. So you can just use that 14 days for free. So there's no bank card required. So if you use and you see there's a value, then you can upgrade it to the premium member area. So that is it. So once you are here, guys, what you need to do, you can start creating a landing page from scratch. And also this software is going to allow you to get a landing page and the thank you page. So you can start it from scratch here, and there's a ton of templates that we can use here. So I don't know what kind of business that you are promoting, guys, but for this tutorial, we're going to use any of landing pages here. Let's use this one. This one, just click here, just give it a name of your business. So let me say maybe you're promoting something like maybe anything, doesn't matter. Let me any business that maybe anything. So I'm gonna put in my business is, or I'm going to write my name, Dennis Weclcome, or anything, doesn't matter. So this is going to you can do a thank you page in as well, and also a landing page here, as you can see. So for this, you're gonna stick with this. So what you have to do, you just come here with a next step. I'm gonna wait for it to load. Sorry, my network is not okay, but anyway, we're gonna go. So once it loads, it's going to take us to the editing end. So here, this way we're gonna start drag and drop. Sorry for my network, it's not okay. Okay, here it is. So once you are here say you don't have any school webinars, you can add on upcoming webinars here. So the goodness of this software also, you can create also webinars here, you can use as a webinar. So I'm gonna show you step by step, but don't worry. So I'm gonna just cancel it. You can also preview to see on how it looks. This is how it looks like. And also you can see in desktop on how it looks like. This is the desktop. We can also see in a map bar on how it looks like. Go to the, okay, first let's edit, then we're gonna go there later. So you can edit here. Here you can also put your own logo. Here, boom, let me put my name here. Okay, okay. So, okay, so here, I can just remove it. Yeah, can start from scratch. Okay, let me say I want to add a pattern, or this one I think is going to work well. Static form. So once I drag and drop here, sorry, I'm going to drag and drop this one here. This one is not going to work well. So let me use this one. think this one can work. Boom. So what is going to happen here? If someone just put a name, his name or and email, then you come here and say sign up, or you can just edit here and just like something like sign up now, something like that. Then boom, good to go. So if someone just sign up there, you want to leave this email address, and you'll be able to capture those leads and follow up them later on. So this is a goodness of it. So this pattern here, this that we are seeing here at the right side, number one here, there's this one here. This is the drag and drop section. This let me see. Okay, so this one is a design which is going to allow to design something like that. And here, when it say HTML, you can just click here. Here is where you're going to add your title name and some description of SEO. And here you can add a favicon, so that whenever someone click to the landing page, is going to see to pop up. So favicon is something like this one that we are seeing here. This one, as you can see, this is a favicon or logo, something like that. These things, they just go along. That's the same. And here you can add an image also. So if someone shares your landing page or your link, is going to see an image that you share. Simple as that. So we're not going to do that. This is an example. And also here you can save as save and exit, and save as template as well here. So this is how it works. And so let's get in. Cancel again. And this button here, wait a moment. Okay, so this one is a section here. You can add it as a section. What do I mean by that? So example, let me say I want to add some other content here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just drag and drop here. Let me, where's the blue here? Let me add it here, maybe here. Boom. I'm going to add something like that here, and add some other content here. You can add some other content here that you like, you know. For this dot, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to delete. And also here you can expand, as you can see. You can expand here. You can expand something like that, you know. So if you want to add more content, you can do that. So I'm going to do that. And the next one. So this one is it's a text. If you want to add some other text here, you can do that. You just drag and drop it and put somewhere that you want. Maybe let me say here, just put here and put add some other text. You can also duplicate it, double, and put some other text that you want, you know. And also this one, this is an image. If you want to add an image, just drag and drop and put it anywhere here, and add an image that you would like people or thumbnail to see it, you know, something like that. And also you can add a button here. What you can do, you can just, let me say, add this here button. And once you do that, you can add anything here, you know. And once you've done that, then you are good to go. Okay, you can add the button here as well. And also this down here. Okay, so this one is a form. You can create either pop-up form or a normal form. So you can do that. So let's expand this a little bit here. Sorry. Expand a little bit and just drag and drop somewhere here. can either create a pop-up form, which you just drag it here. So you can just decide yourself, either you want a sign up form or exit pop-up or download form or fixed bar, image form, and the scroll form. You can do that at your own, you know. But for this tutorial, we're not gonna do that. Just cancel and delete. You can do a static form, something similar to this one here. You can do that as well here. Just drag and drop also here, and you're good to go. People are gonna put their name here and email address here down here. So this one down here, this is a okay. These are some shapes that you can add in your landing page. You know, you can decide that. And this one here down here, this is a webinar that you can add as a webinar. Just drag and drop in somewhere. Let me expand this and show you what I mean. You just drag and drop here somewhere. It's like you don't have any webinars. Okay, I think I don't have, but this one is a webinar that people can attend as a webinar, this one, you know. So simple as that. So since I don't have any access on that, I think you can just leave it, but you can do that on your own. And this one down here, this is a timeline. You can add a timeline and they remind your customer and say, hey, this is going to end it, something like that. You just put an end date, something like that, and you click save. So people, they'll be, okay, maybe let me say you're offering a bonus. People, once they check, and if you say, this, you must click it, you must make sure you check these bonuses because they are going to expire maybe after 3 days. People, they're going to say, oh, let me check this bonus, let me hurry up, you know, something like that. So you have to choose here when it's going to start, when are you offering those bonuses, simple as that. So yeah, so let me say I'm offering those time, you can choose that 24 and click save. Time I'm in South Africa, so you can choose any time here. Doesn't matter whenever you are, if you're in Georgia, Atlantic, Europe, anyway, it doesn't matter. Then we just click save. So people, they're going to see, okay, this is going to expire after 10 days, 18 hours, 11 minutes, and 50. So people, they'll be interested. I must hurry up. I mustn't lose these bonuses, you know, something like that. And also here you can add a video. Let me say you have any video here that you want to add. Okay. Or you can just tell people, hey, watch this video before time countdown finish. So what you have to do, just drag and drop here. And you can add a link of your video, you know. Just add a link. You can also duplicate this to be 2 times, you know, simple as that. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it like that. And also, but you can add your own video here. You can add your own video here. It doesn't matter. You just put a link and you're good to go. And also here, so yeah. I forget this one. You can put social media as a social media, you know, like Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, something like that. And also here you can edit at your own. Whether you don't like this, just delete, or you can add your own thing. But for the sake, we're gonna delete. And this one, you can put your information here. This guy is Johnson, what. So you can also add your own picture here, or you can remove him if you don't want. Or here, this lady, if you want, you can add your own picture here. Or if you don't want, you can delete her as well. Then once you've done that, you're good to go. You can just go to the next step or save and exit or save as template. Let's go to the next step. Here, say mobile vision for some of the pages value haven't been generated yet. You may continue, but we recommended that generate mobile vision by switching up. Okay, I think we didn't put the editor here. This is a mobile. On the mobile, it's going to look like this. So in a mobile, it's going to look something like this. As you can see here, this is how it's going to look like in the mobile. Let's delete this one. So if you like this, if you see it's fine, then you're good to go. Doesn't matter. The desktop, this is how it looks like. Here you can add your own. If you see these are not good, add your own text, to capture, to capture customers, So simple as that. And yeah, I think that this is how you can preview and check out it looks like. Then we go to the next step. Just this. I will say save. Save. Save and exit. Just wait for it to load. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Here it is here. So you can copy this link. We are not yet unpublished, but you can click publish. It's published. So what to do, you can just copy this link, or if I click this link, it's going to take me straight there. So you can take that link and share with your customers or anyone else. Then you're good to go. So yeah, this is it. So once I click this link here, is gonna take me straight to this, to my landing page that I've created. This is a landing page that I've created with you guys straight. So yeah, simple as that. There's nothing which is complicated. So you can add your own domain as well. So yeah, guys, there's nothing which is complicated. So if you like this video, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below of this Get Autorespond, so you can be able and start creating your landing page. This is unlimited landing page. You can create as many landing pages as you want and start capturing those emails and send them emails and start making money as that. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you understand everything. Yeah, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.